Welcome to Channel 12's Community Corner. I'm Ann Gallagher here at the Brooklyn Park Community Activity Center, which is going to be hopping this summer, and you can get a little head start on your planning. They've got their summer brochure out now. Here's more about some new and returning favorites.
Brooklyn Park in the summer is a really thriving action place. So we're really excited to talk about summer all the time, but our Get Up and Go activity book is out, so hopefully everybody's got that. You can pick up more copies if you haven't gotten that yet at the community center. And we're really focusing on the neighborhood park this summer, and we've launched a recreation program called Rec on the Go. And this is our mobile recreation program where we're taking a truck unit out with staff and going into neighborhood parks and apartment complexes and bringing summer recreation out into the community. We're also bringing reading to the parks through our Book Nook program, and that's a activity where you can go to the parks and staff are going to be there with books that you can check out and keep. Other free things include disc golf at the Brookland Golf Course. And the golf courses are a hub of activity in the summer as well. Everybody's golfing already, but you can also do soccer golf. You ever heard of foot golf? And that's a new activity at the Brookland Golf Park over by Central Park. And you can bring your soccer ball and do foot golf, it's called. Those things, as well as lots of youth sports activities that kids can sign up for, and adults have some wonderful programs going on here at the community center that can get involved with as well. So lots of things.
And again, you can stop by here at the Brooklyn Park Community Activity Center and pick up the summer recreation brochure. You can also check out the programs online on the City of Brooklyn Park's website.